Hello friends, welcome. In today's video I wanted to share a few fun crochet projects that you can add into your junk journals. So a few fun ways that you can add crochet to your journals. And one way would be just decorating the outside, right? So I did a single crochet around this die cut heart in the middle of the book, and I think it came out really good. I also did some single crochet on the side and added that details, and I think it looks really cute. I also did paint this book cover, and this is made from recycled materials, and I sewed around all of the edges as you can see, but this is all single crochet along the border, and I just glued it onto the sides as you can see, and then just shaped this heart around here where I had put a die cut in the middle, a heart shaped die cut. And you can kind of like switch up the picture in the middle as well. Then here I have this little envelope that you can store. You can also put a little clip there. I didn't add the clip yet, but you can store like little journaling cards in here, or notes, or anything really. A little notebook or notepad. I think that'd be a really cute gift as well if you want to gift a Valentine or a friend or anything like that. Then also here is this pencil case. I actually have some hooks in here right now. I was just storing this in here for now, but you can put markers or pencils or anything that you would like to put in there as well. And most of these crochet items were tutorials here on YouTube, so I'll go ahead and share those on the description box below as well if any of you are interested and would like to make some of these yourself. Yeah, lots and lots of fun, and so many different things that you can make, as well as these heart paper clips. And I also found a tutorial for this butterfly shaped paper clip, really fun one to do as well. And I thought that would be perfect to add to a page in your journal. I also did do some hidden paper clips as well. If you'd like to check out that video, I'll go ahead and add that below. I also did find this tutorial for the bookmark. So lots of different ways that you can add these bookmarks to your journals as well. You could even do something like this as a belly band in the middle of your journal as well. But I really like the way it just dangles out from both sides. There's so many different ones that you can do. I've been having so much fun making those. And then there was this lovely book cover as well that I thought would be perfect to go over your book. So you can see here I just kind of made these corners and added them as well. That wasn't in the tutorial, but you can add like anything extra to kind of modify that to make it work for me. But this tutorial was super easy to follow, and she has so many different designs on there. So nice. And yeah, I think it came out really good. I still need to block this one because it's still a little bit misshapen, but once that gets done, it should be good. I also did make this little granny square, and I turned that into a pocket. I just sewed it into the page, and I thought it looked really lovely there. So also, I've been just having so much fun playing around with crochet, and I love junk journals and all things paper, and I always like to mix and match different things. So I've just been playing around with all of this. I hope you guys are inspired and to make and create new things. And yeah, I think these will be great gifts as well. So you can see it fits with you. Different markers or pencils in there. You can make it to whatever size you need it for as well. That's what's great about crocheting as well. You can just kind of customize it to whatever size you need. But yeah, I think this is really cute for gift giving, especially for any type of holiday, birthday, Valentine's Day. Yeah, and also I did make a few other kind of style bookmarks. I think they were like corner bookmarks. I'm going to show you that here shortly. But this was just another paper clip. I made a white heart paper clip as well. I kind of like this style, the way I did this one better on the jumbo one. I was playing around with different things and just seeing what worked out for me best. And yeah, I do like the way the jumbo one came out. Oh, this also was another bookmark that I made, this heart shape dangle bookmark that you can see there as well. And I'm just showing you the corners that I added on to hold the book there. And yeah, what I really love about these die cuts in the middle of the books, where you have that little frame, so you can kind of like customize it and put whatever you like in the middle there. It looks so cute. But like I said, I just been having so much fun mixing, matching different hobbies together and different things. I love the way it adds so much texture and just a variety of different things here to your journals. You can add lace, different kinds of fabric, all sorts of things, right? And I'm definitely going to be playing around with this journal, adding some doilies to it, and just, yeah, I haven't really finished the journal too much, but I did use this paper pack. I forgot the name of it right now, but I'll go ahead and link it, or I'll put it in the description box below as well. And it actually was a couple different paper packs that I used here. I can't remember all their names, but I will try and list anything below in the description box. But yeah, I think these paper clips are really fun and easy to do. All of these crochet projects are very, very beginner friendly. So if you're interested in learning, definitely check out the description box, and those video tutorials are super easy to follow. If you have any questions about it, let me know as well. I normally reply to every comment that I get so far. I've been good with it. And yeah, I hope you guys got a lot of inspiration here. I did want to show, okay, so this was the bookmark, another bookmark style that I was playing around with. So I did this heart one. Let me know which one do you like best. Do you like this style with a little tassel on the bottom, or just a plain heart there? Again, you can do those like and make it into like a belly band as well, so that's another way of doing it. Or you can make like granny squares and put them in there as pockets too. Those are super fun to do as well, and just super easy to add. And it actually wasn't too bulky or thick. I'm gonna cover that as well, so I'll put something there to cover the prices on those pages. But yeah, I'm just still playing around with this journal. And yeah, Valentine's Day is around the corner, so let me know in the comments below what your plans are. And yeah, if you've made it so far to this part of the video, please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and a like. I appreciate you all so much. Again, let me know in the comments below. Okay, so this was the bookmarks. Sorry, I'm like all over the place, but these were the bookmarks that I also made. You can put them on the corner. I also did a video on like corner tuck spots as well, like corner bookmarks, similar style to this, except this is like the crochet version, and the last video I did was a paper version. I'll go ahead and link that one here below as well, but it's pretty much the same concept. So a lot of these are pretty much the same concept of a lot of videos that I did, just kind of a crochet video, a crochet style instead of paper style. So like we have done previously the hidden paper clips, we've done the tuck spots, the altar paper clips, I've also done something before, like with that pocket as well. We've done bookmarks here. So yeah, if you're interested in any of those videos, you can go ahead and check out the channel. A ton of videos there on journals and yeah, all kinds of stuff. But I mean, these are all pretty much the same kind of concept. If you're new to journaling or whatnot, or if you're a seasoned journaler, then I'm sure you've seen a ton of videos on hidden paper clips, bookmarks, and all that kind of stuff. So, anywho, I just wanted to share with you what I've compiled and what I've made recently, and just kind of share my little projects, and hopefully these inspire you to create as well. And again, if you would like to use or do any of these projects as well, they'll be in the description box below. I've just been having so much fun with crochet and mixing all the different mediums together. So some of my favorite things to do. And yeah, I hope everyone is doing well. And I love this little envelope. I was just showing that again. I had a lot of fun making that one as well. Again, these are all very beginner friendly and very fun and easy to make. So yeah, everything will be in the description box below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you soon in another video. Thank you all again for your sweet comments lately. They've been so nice. All your support and love and subscribing, I really appreciate it. All the likes do help, so thank you so much. See you later. Bye.